Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Here for ADA, we continue to be in the same range where we were in when I made the video yesterday. So as you probably know, for ADA, I changed my primary scenario here when we were around 46 cents. Changed it to bullish. Yeah, so far I haven't regretted it. But even, you need to understand, even if we now retrace more and come down again, as long as we stay above 40.2 cents, we can continue to expect higher prices. That simply has to do with the fact that we invalidated one of the key or a few key bearish possibilities, and without changing this whole wave count, we can't easily count this bearish anymore. Therefore, I started to focus bullish. We had a couple of bullish signals here based on the Elliott waves and a few other things that I explained in previous videos. Therefore, we are currently focusing on higher, assuming the low could have been in at 40.2 cents. Very important. There are never guarantees in financial markets. I'm not telling you it is in for sure. I'm telling you there is definitely now a case throughout this entire period. Yeah, since June, I told you there is currently no case that we can make that the low here for ADA is already in, and it takes a moment here to load. I told you there is no case to be made that the low was in, even when we moved up here. Yeah, it was all doing its thing within a downtrend. Even here, that 5-wave move down in purple, only bearish. I showed you only bearish possibilities. There was no case for a more bullish outcome. And I always told you I need to see the price action first. The ADA price action didn't justify anything more bullish, period. Now, yeah, after we hit the 5th wave to the downside and we had 5 waves down complete, we saw an invalidation of the next bearish option. Therefore, we now go bullish. Yeah, that is just logical approach, and that is what I try to communicate here all the time. Try to go with a logical approach. Doesn't need to be Elliott waves, but don't rush things. You don't need Elliott waves for trading. It's a good addition in my opinion, and it can help better than any other tool, especially on the longer time frames, to forecast the next moves. But here, where are we now in terms of the Elliott wave? So I spoke to you in the previous video, few possibilities here. My preferred scenario is that we have seen here in this, it would be a larger first wave that we're doing now. In that larger first wave, we've done the 1, we've done the 2. We are now in the 3rd wave that will reach here the area between 54.5 and 57 cents. After that, I would expect a wave 4 down and a wave 5 up, in brackets, yeah, that white one. The alternative scenario is, and that has not been invalidated, it's not great from the proportions and the extensions, but it's possible, and I go to the 1-hour chart for that. The other possibility is that this here was the 3. We had a 4 down here already, so that was a very short 4. It did not overlap with wave 1, therefore strictly not invalidated. The wave 3 was too short, still okay, no rule forbidding that. And then this would have been the 5. Yeah, so that you actually had a 5-wave move here now, and that all of this then already was a wave 1. Yeah, so this was a wave 1 then. That indicates we're now going to get a wave 2 down and would then see the 3 up. So, but in both scenarios, yeah, primarily I would expect the move up straight away into this area. In the alternative scenario, which is the more bearish one but still bullish, I would expect here now a wave 1 as being complete, and there will be a wave 2 down. That would, in my opinion, get likely below 46.7 cents, because then you're cutting into wave 1. Yeah, if we go below that level, 46.7, I think we're gonna see this wave 2 option and then go up in a 3. If we can hold the 46.7, we can focus on higher straight away and would assume the wave 3 is up here and we get straight away in that level. So that's what we can speculate with for now. At the moment, we're holding above the ascending trend line, that's fact. And a good signal to go higher would be a move above 50 cents. All right, and that's my view about ADA at the moment. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.